Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis one of my favorite token Kusama KSM, and I will tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token. So please thumbs up the like button right now and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. This is the CoinGecko page of Kusama and currently it is trading at $452. Price increases 1.1% in just 24 hours. Price in BTC decreases 2.5% in 24 hours. Current rank of Kusama is 37. And let me please show you the website of Kusama. This is the Kusama website. Parachain options are coming. Scalable multi-chain network for radical innovation. Please do your own research before buying this token or invest before investing in this token, because cryptocurrency is very risky and I will not responsible any of your trading loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. What is Kusama? Kusama is a scalable network of specialized blockchain built using substrate and nearly the same code base as Polkadot. The network is an experimental development environment for teams who want to move fast and innovate on Kusama or prepare for development on Polkadot. Kusama was founded in 2019 by Gavin Ward, founder of Polkadot and co-founder and former CTO of Ethereum. This is the website. Please visit this website and please do your own research. This is a good project, but you have to do your own research. And this is my one of the favorite token, and I think this token can hit all my targets that I'm going to tell you in this video. And this is the website. Let's dive into the Kusama page. Current market cap of this token is $4 billion and $4 billion. Trading volume of this token is 280 millions. Circulating supply of this token is just 8.9 million, and total supply of this token is just 10 million. Here you can see maximum supply just 10 million, and 24-hour low price of this token was 442, and 24-hour high price of this token is $459. Let me please show you some statistics. In 30 days this token gives 48% gain to its holders. In 1 year, this token gives 16,687% profit to its holders. That is very good profit. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.19%, and volume according to the market cap is 0.069%. Current rank is 37. All-time high of this token was on March 29, 2021, just 12 days ago, and the price was $566. All-time low of this token was on January 14, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was just 87 cents. Just 87 cents, and now it is at $566. That is why I am saying that with very low supply, with very low supply, maximum supply is very low, just 10 million, and project is very good, team is very good, founder is previous Ethereum founder, and very huge project and very having very great potential, I think. This token is available on Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi Global and DigiFinex and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And if you want to buy Bybit and Horbit account, the links are in this video's description. And let's dive into the chart. This is KSM Kusama USDT 1 day chart, and currently it is trading at $451. It was rejected from $566. This is the horizontal resistance, and now currently it is in ascending broadening wedge. And let me please tell you my first target. I think this is the support zone for the Kusama is at $415. This is a good support for Kusama. Here you can see Kusama several times hit this support zone and after that pullback, and there is also downtrend line of Kusama, and there are two resistance two support zone for the Kusama right now. That is why it have to go to hit this zone, and I think this will be our first target. This horizontal resistance will be our first target, $564. And after breaking this, I think this token can easily hit this upside trend line, and will have, and the target will be maybe $658. And according to the technical, according to the support and resistance base, let me please show you my first target. First target will be this zone, $713. Once it break this horizontal resistance, which is currently is at 565 to 564 to $567. After that, our first target will be 658, and our second target will be this zone. These are the target. Current first target is $564. Second target is $658, and last target is, these are immediate short-term target. Kusama can hit these target within days, maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks. I think so. $730. This is our third target. And let me please arrange the chart, and after that I will tell you my medium duration and long duration target for the Kusama right now. I will do technical analysis on both in USD pair and BTC pair. So please watch this video complete, and please hit the like button right now. It is currently is in between 0.78 to 1 level of Fibonacci, and after that it have to hit 567 according to the Fib retracement tool. And let me please arrange this chart, and after that I will definitely tell you my medium duration target for this token right now. Let me please arrange this. $1,400, $1,450 is my target. Kusama can hit this zone within 6 months. This is the target of 6 months. Kusama can easily hit this. And let me please show you my final target of 2021. I am not creating any type of hype, and I think $2,500 is very realistic target for the Kusama, and it can hit this target within 2021. I think this will be our target, and it have to give you 450% profit after hitting $2,500. 2,500 is our final target of 2021, and I think Kusama can easily hit this. And let me please show you one thing very interesting, and please thumbs up the like button right now. Let me please arrange this, and after that I'm going to tell you what is the thing. Here you can see. From 1st January to till 10 April, this token gives 692% profit to its holders, near about 7x. That is very good profit. And still I think that this token can easily hit $2,500 and can easily give you 450% profit again in this year. And let me please show you the BTC chart. Let me please arrange this chart. Sorry for the delay, friends. I was setting this chart, and now currently it is in this ascending broadening wedge, and it is KSM BTC chart, and it is currently is at 0.0074 satoshis, and it was rejected from that zone, which is 0.0098 satoshi, and because this is in this ascending broadening wedge, maybe it can hit this downtrend line. After hitting this, because there is very good support and down trend line of as a support zone for the Kusama KSM. After hitting that I think it have to move towards the upside, and after that it will be our first target. Our first target of Kusama will be 0.0098, and once it break this upside resistance, in that case, according to this ascending broadening wedge pattern, our target will be like this. Let me please arrange this. Here you can see this will be the target, 0.01369 satoshis. 0.01369 satoshis will be the second target. First target is 0.009843, and second target will be $0.01369. And let me please show you something which is I think very interesting. And in these 3 months and 10 days, I think 100 days, this token gives what kind of profit in BTC pair. Let me please show you. In BTC pair, this token gives 365% profit in 100 days, and I think this token can easily hit my targets that I'm going to tell you in this video. And please thumbs up the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new, and please join my Telegram channel too. Let me please show you what is the next target. It is currently is in 0.61 to 0.78 Fibonacci level. According to this zone, our first target according to the Fibonacci Fib retracement tool is $0.00082. Let me please mark this. Let me please label this. According to the Fib retracement, this will be the target. This will be our first target. And second target according to the Fib retracement is $0.01. This will be the second target according to the Fib retracement tool. And let me please tell you my targets for KSM. Target of 6 months. I think this token can easily hit my target, and I think this token can. I think 0.0236 BTC. This token can easily hit, and 18% will be the profit. And after that, this token can easily hit this zone within 2021 and will give you 400% profit. 0.037, or maybe it can hit this zone 0.04 BTC, and this will be the final target. And this target it can easily give you 440% profit once it hit 0.04 BTC. This is the final target. Please note down these targets, and please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. And please, if you want to join or if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, this is the link. Just click on this link. This link is available in this video's comment section and in this video's description. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. And please keep supporting me. Thanks for the watching.